every day I see effect of Ayurvedic treatment with my patient, how Ayurveda can help people suffering from so severe diseases, and that too so easily. I have seen it on many of my patients, but in today's video, I'll share with you three my personal experiences with Ayurveda. They're very small, but maybe will be interesting for you. My first experience was when I just got admission in an Ayurvedic university to complete my degree in bachelor's in Ayurveda. So it was my first year and we had vacations. So I went to my hometown and I was playing on the ground. And while playing, I got a severe cut. I was in pain and lots of bleeding was happening. So I rushed to the nearby hospital and the cut was with an iron wire. So cleaning was done, dressing was done, and I was instructed to change the dressing, I think every day or every alternative day. So I did it and I changed my dressing, I think 2 to 3 times, but I was in pain and there was too much swelling and the recovery was very slow. But by the time this was happening, my vacations were ended. Now I have to go back to my college to pursue my further education. So I went back, but I have to do the dressing over there also. So I went this time to my Ayurvedic hospital in the college where I was studying. And over there I asked and they did the dressing for me. They changed the dressing and they applied a new dressing. And I was in pain. Up to this day, I was in severe pain because of inflammation and not so fast recovery. But just I was surprised next day when I woke up, the inflammation was subsided 80% and the healing was over there like 60% within just one night. I was just amazed. I was like, it's not paining. The swelling has subsided. What has happened? I was just in shock. And it was very interesting for me that what dressing has been done. I was doing dressing from so many days, but nothing worked. Just in one dressing, I got these magical results. So I rushed to my hospital, the college hospital, and the seniors over there, the doctors over there. I discussed with them. I asked them, which dressing you did? They told me that they did the dressing with Jatyadi oil, Jatyadi Tailam. This is an Ayurvedic formulation for cuts and any other wounds. Before this, I was skeptical about the results of Ayurveda because I was new to Ayurveda and no one from my family was an Ayurvedic doctor. And this just blew my mind that how it can be. And I started reading about Jatyadi oil. Until now, I use Jatyadi oil if there's the case of fissure or any kind of wounds on the skin. I'll also share one of the case that was of skin cancer. The patient was asking something to rub on the skin because the cancer was damaging the skin and he was in pain and the wounds were forming. So I recommended them using Jatyadi oil. And within a week, they were also amazed as I was. I'm not saying that it treated their cancer, no, but their inflammation was subsided, their skin was better, the pain was less. So they were so happy and they were so amazed that how this herbal oil can be so powerful. They were doing everything that was said to apply on the wound, but nothing gave so powerful effect as Jatyadi oil. So this is my first interaction or the first magic that I saw with Ayurveda, with Ayurvedic medicines. Home remedies, yes, we used to use at our home. From the childhood we are using, but Ayurvedic like Jatyadi oil, which was new to me, I just saw the effect first time and I was amazed when I used it on my body. Now, second story, that is when I was suffering from severe seasonal allergies and I was diagnosed as allergic rhinitis. Every time, whenever there was a seasonal change, my nose used to get blocked, pain in the sinuses, these parts over here, and it was awful. And many times I used to have exams or tests and the studies were really hard. And at this time, when you get these diseases, when you can't breathe, you have pain, you have headache, it's just awful. And it was happening very, very often. At that time, I got a call from one of my relatives asking, how are you and what are the things going on? This relative was a doctor and was practicing modern medical science. So this relative noticed that I'm not sounding proper, the nose is blocked and I'm having difficulties. So this person prescribed me the modern medical treatment. I did it. I took that treatment and it helped me. But next season, again, I was having this and then again, I have to take it. And then again, and I was like fed up of it. So I gave them a call and I asked them, see, this is happening very often. What else I can do so that I can get rid of this circle? So this person said to me, see, you have to take it every time. And also, if you want to add something, then there is a nasal spray. You can use that spray. So I got the name because I was also studying medical. So I searched about that. So I looked to the ingredients and it was a steroidal spray. And I was like, no. I have to stop over here. I'm not going to use this. This relative is very close to me, very dear to me. I'll not say that this person wanted to harm me. No, never. I can't think also. But the recommendations that I was getting was from their perspective. So I respect their perspective also. But I was not ready to go more further with the chemicals. So now I decided, okay, I have to go back to my hospital and I have to talk to my seniors, the doctors over there, and I have to take an Ayurvedic prescription. They gave me the prescription. I started taking it, and till the time, it has been near to 20 years. Till now, I never got this sinus problem again. The herbs that were prescribed to me, one of them that I remember was Chitrak Hariti. I used it a lot in my practice because of my own experience. So any of the young person who comes to me with these issues, I recommend Chitrak Hariti because I have seen results on myself. The second thing that was prescribed was Brasol. Brasol was in syrup, 10 ml in the morning, 10 ml in the evening. Chitrak Hariti, 1 teaspoon in the morning, 1 teaspoon in the evening. I used to take. Chitrak Hariti was awful in taste. It was in the paste form, but these things, they treated me, and I have been cured with this allergy till now. In these 20 years, I haven't got even one time these kinds of allergy. So this is how I was again treated by Ayurveda. Now let's come towards the kids. Yes, I have family, I have kids. My elder daughter, she also got allergies, but her allergy was related to air conditioning. Whenever she goes in a place where air conditioner is on, she is surely going to have a running nose. She will be having issues, and then this is going to continue for a few more days. So this is awful as a parent, as a father. First, I didn't understood it also that what is happening, as I'm not always at home because of the work. I have to travel a lot. So I was not always available whenever she got this issue. Sometimes when I was over there, even it was confusing for me to understand how it can happen. Then I also discussed this with some senior doctors. They say, no, it doesn't happen. Air conditioner is not going to give any of these things. Maybe it's the dust or something like this. I tried everything. Clean the AC as much as I can. Everything I have tried, nothing worked, and she was still suffering. One day I decided, okay, and now next time when I was at home, she again got this issue with air conditioning. I was determined. I said, no, this thing has to stop. So what I did, I just started giving her Brasol syrup, which I have taken in past. I gave her about 8 milliliters 2 times in a day, morning, evening, on empty stomach. And within 2 to 3 days, her allergies were gone. And touch wood, till now, she doesn't have any of the allergies. Many medications were done. Everything was done, but nothing worked. What worked was just simple Brasol. And that too, so quickly that nothing in this world can believe that Brasol gave such awesome effects. No, I don't sell Brasol, nothing. Whatever I am saying in today's video, nothing is sponsored. I don't have any of the links, no promo code, nothing. These are my own experiences. And when you see your kid getting better just in 2 to 3 days, and when your kid was suffering from so severe health issues for so long period of time, just getting rid within 2 to 3 days, with the help of Ayurveda, you are going to be fan of Ayurveda. I am a big fan of Ayurveda. These are just 3 small things that have changed my life. There are many things. Everything what I have is dedicated to Ayurveda. I just love Ayurveda. Ayurveda is my life. Ayurveda is my path of life. Everything is dedicated to Ayurveda. But these are small nuances that just hypes you up. It gives you more courage, more energy. So I just wanted to share with you that how Ayurveda has impacted my personal life in many other ways also, financially, socially, in every aspect. So summary of the story, believe in Ayurveda. Ayurveda is awesome. Just try to get the best knowledge of Ayurveda. Try to get best consultation for Ayurveda. No, I don't give consultations also. So I'm not selling anything, giving you or trying to guide you in the right way. So yes, there are people who say that, oh, it doesn't work, it's an pseudoscience. It's your mind. You are free to think whatever you want. It's just nature's gift to us. We can think whatever we want. I can think right now whatever I want. You can think whatever you want. It's the freedom that nature has given to us. We can think whatever we want. So from my experience, I can say, yes, Ayurveda is awesome. It works. Go with Ayurveda. Learn about Ayurveda. Get the fundamentals of Ayurveda. Your life will change for good. See you in next video with a big smile. Up to that time, smile more, stay happy, stay healthy.